Thanks so much for tuning back into my channel. So today I just want to let you guys know that I will be starting the ketogenic diet. I see everybody is starting to do keto now, and I did not know you could still be fine and get fine real quick by doing keto. So all keto is that I'll be having a high fat intake, and I'll be having a low carb intake with also like low sugars and everything like that. I won't be eating all the sugary things that I like, such as candy and all the different juices that I like. I will try to stick to like diet drinks, flavored water, and I'm still going to do my apple cider vinegar, but I do want to start the ketogenic diet, okay? So I just want to talk about kind of what attracted me to keto, and then after that I'll show you guys how I make my first keto meal, which is going to be the keto breakfast. So I'm going to actually break this into a series. I'm going to do a keto breakfast, I'm going to do a keto lunch, a keto dinner, and a keto dessert. Okay, so today I'll be doing a breakfast by Keto Sani, or Keto Sony. I don't know really how you say her Instagram name, but we'll get to that later in the video. I'm seeing people getting real fine and getting real fine real quick, okay? So that's basically what attracted me to keto, and the fact that you can eat almost pretty much anything, just no like pastas, no rice, no bread. And I'm like, you could still eat a cheeseburger and still be on a diet? And that answer is yes. So on the keto diet, you can actually have the patty, you can have as much cheese as you like, you can have your lettuce, all the toppings. You just cannot have the bun on the burger. And I'm like, okay, I could just give me a lettuce burger. You know, I can still go to In-N-Out and still go to all my favorite places. Just have to go ahead and watch the carb intake. So I'm like, dang, like maybe I should really try this diet. And then I just started to kind of research different Instagram pages, different websites. I've been looking up so many different recipes, so many different Instagrams, you guys, and I am so interested in this diet. Everything just looks so tasty. I feel like this is the closest diet you can be on and still pretty much eat kind of whatever you want. You just have to, you know, watch the sugar, and you just have to watch your carb intake as well. But I think this is something that I'll actually do well with because I love cheese, I love eggs, I love cream cheese. I love all these different things that I pretty much already eat. I think that I'll be pretty much dropping moving forward. I won't be eating my little slices of cake here and there. Every time I go to the store, I won't be getting the candy like a big kid. So yeah, so that's pretty much what attracted me to keto. It just looks like the most tasteful diet. I feel like I'll still be able to get a lot of calories in. I'll still be able to eat and not actually like starve myself or anything. So that's pretty much what attracted me to keto. Honestly, it just looks good. And I see people dropping weight, like I see people dropping like 8 pounds a week that just have started keto. But now I'm gonna go into my kitchen and show you guys how I make this keto egg pepperoni thing that I seen on Keto Sani's Instagram. So to make this meal, you're gonna need 1 egg. You're also gonna need some pepperonis, and then you're also gonna need some Havarti cheese. I did go ahead and crack 2 eggs in this little small container. I do wanna go ahead and prepare for the last 2 days of the week. So I'm gonna go ahead and use 2 eggs, and then to season, I'll be using Fresh Finds Cajun Spice, and I did find this at, I think it was Hobby Lobby. I found this at Hobby Lobby, and it's only like $1. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a dash in that because I don't like to put too much seasoning in my eggs. So once I'm done with that, I will go ahead and set my heat to a level 7, and I'll be using some classic olive oil, and I'll just put a little bit of that in the pan, and then I'll go ahead and pour the eggs into the skillet. So after I let the eggs cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, I will go ahead and add my 2 slices of Havarti cheese. Remember, I'm using 2 servings because I will be doing this for 2 days. And then I'll go ahead and add pepperonis, and I'll add it pretty much to the whole entire egg. Ooh, at this point, it's looking like a little pizza, okay? So this was the most difficult part. I could not flip that thing for nothing, okay? But eventually, I did get it, and I was able to actually flip it to one side by using my hands just a little bit. It was pretty hot, so if you have your own way of doing it, go ahead and do it your way, y'all. Okay, so don't judge me. Guys, thank you all so much for watching. I did enjoy making this for you all, and I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm so excited because I have my breakfast made for the next 2 days in this easy recipe. I did go ahead and give it a little try. I had to just nibble on, do a little nip, you know, go ahead and try it out, y'all. and the recipe is absolutely amazing. So Ketosani, I hope I'm not saying it wrong, but thank you so much for all of these recipes and sharing your recipes with the rest of the world. It's definitely got me interested in keto. Thank you all so much for watching, and give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys want to see how I make my keto lunch and then how I make my keto dinner. Like I said, I'll be doing a series, so just let me know. And if you guys have any comments or any tips on the keto diet, let me know down in the comment section below. Thank y'all so much, and see y'all later.